Have you guys ever heard the statement, don't invest in something that you don't understand and you don't believe in, right? So I wanted to talk to you about oil today because I don't believe that anybody's talking about it, especially women, for God's sake. So, okay, I wanted to talk to you about how oil moves the markets. And if you really watch oil is the fundamental analysis that people use to, they also look at other indicators, right? The DXY, the Dixie is what they call it. 10-year yield. Some people use the 2-year yield. And I know that those elements are, for someone who's not in the financial markets, these are just like, what is that? I really wanted to talk to you about that just for a quick second today. And then I'm going to move on to some other things very quickly, okay? 10-year yield is a bond market analysis, right? We're watching how many people are moving out of the financial markets into the bond markets into safety. And what they are saying is that stocks are way too volatile, but they have to invest in something because they have people that they invest for. And if they're not investing, then they're not doing their job, right? So they'll move the money over into the bond markets just out of safety. And when we see that move up, especially like when it spikes up really quickly, that means we're going to have a problem in the stock market. And so that's why people watch those, okay? And when you watch that, you probably don't want to even be in the stock market that day. I'm a trader, so I will pull money out altogether. I don't leave my investments in. I have a small amount of investment capital that I will leave consistently, but I will play the oil markets because oil markets move up and down so dramatically. They're very volatile, and I will play options. So sometimes I will short the market, and it usually runs in the day. Oil markets, like early in the morning, if it's down 2%, most people will short it and, play it like that. So, and I know that there's a group of traders that I know, that run those markets. So they kind of try to do it in a group, and that helps things move together. So if you're playing the Exxon stock, I wanted to say this because the last time I'd done a video and I was like, just get into Exxon stock. But when I really thought about it, I was like, no, do not just get into Exxon stock. I want you to watch the Exxon stock. I want you to be aware of what's going on with it and see what moves, what's happening with the price of crude oil in correlation to Exxon stock. So if you see the market move 10%, then the Exxon stock is going to go down 10% because that correlates to oil. That's just the way it happens, right? So you're going to lose 10% in a day if you had all your money sitting in Exxon stock. But if you kept some money in that dry powder thing, right? If you kept some money on the sidelines, that would be your day to buy because it is a rare thing for oil to go down 10%. But I have actually seen it happen. And very recently with the fear trade, with the with that thing, right? That we're not allowed to say here, I guess. I can't tell. You guys tell me if YouTube is allowing that these days. I do see some people talking about it, but they have a lot of subscribers, and obviously I don't. But this is all very new to me. And you guys, I want you to be aware of something. When somebody does a video, it's putting themselves out there, and it's a little nerve-wracking. I don't know. You guys be aware of it and love on those people so that they get out there, because just talking about your liberties and it's not the mainstream media thing right now, and it can be scary to do because you don't want to get targeted, and nobody wants that. But I think at this point, it's important for us to stand up for ourselves and be like, hey, you guys aren't alone when you guys are talking about this. I want you to be aware that there are the rest of us out here that absolutely believe in it, and we're not crazy. We're not. Well, we may seem like it just a little bit, but we're truly not. We have brains in our heads, and we're also, in the markets, and we're advising other people too. So you guys be aware of that. I want you guys to have a happy holiday. I hope, you had a Merry Christmas. Please go and visit those that don't have anybody. If you are alone, go find somebody that, is alone too. I think you should do that. I went to do a visit with elderly people this holiday, and it just kind of made me feel a little sad. So, you guys be aware of that sometimes you are the light in their world, in their darkness, and things are pretty dark right now. And I think it is your job to be part of the light and not the darkness. So anyways, you guys have a great holiday. Merry Christmas to all of you, and have a happy new year. Much love. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.